Well, here on Weather Nation, we keep our message pretty simple. It's pure and simple weather. We just talk about weather all the time, forecast driven, social media driven, because we believe ever since we've been able to hold phones and take our weather views on the go, why not share those views? Because back at least when I got into the business, you had a tower cam here and there across the country, but you never could look everywhere. Nowadays, we can all see those weather views. Pretty amazing stuff. Hey, let's talk about the weather in the southeast. A little focus on the heavy rainfall threat to Florida. Interesting of note, came across this today, the courtesy of the Naval Geographic Office, and this is a cool animation. Again, if you're of weather geek variety, of course. But take a look here. This is the animation the past 30 days. So this is throughout mid-March up until here to mid-April, and it shows how the temperatures have been fluctuating. Obviously, the cools are the blue colors. The warms are the greens, yellows, and even oranges. You can start to pick out what's also called the loop current. See it right there? It's kind of a little circulation there. It emerged up through the Yucatan Channel, and this is, of course, the source, the Gulf is, and the Caribbean, of where our warm tropical air comes from. Without that, you really don't get those big rains. We need to have some source. Well, Florida and the Gulf Coast states is very close to the origin of where the moisture comes from. So obviously it's pretty easy to get done. Areas north of here, not so easy. We got a new wrinkle of low pressure that formed along an old boundary in the northern Gulf. Now this system is taking a more northern jog than it was expected to do. Now, many systems have done that before, but the impact of that is tremendous because now the heavy rain threat extends from Mobile, Pensacola, across to Atlanta, and up towards Charlotte and southeast to just about the I-4 corridor. The bulk of the heavy rainfall is going to be from Dothan to Albany to just north of Waycross, and this could lead to flooding because just in the last 2 weeks alone, some of these areas have seen close to 5 inches of rainfall. You add 2 more on top of that, the soils here just can't take anymore. So we're talking possible flooding. There is the rain forecast. Georgia, widespread heavy rainfall, good for some crops, bad for others that are not in the ground. We've got a big golfing round of golf going with a tournament at Hilton Head this weekend. Weather going to be a little cool on Friday and Saturday. Friday in Atlanta, showers and 63, a cool day. The chilly weather continues even into your Saturday, where temperatures will only make it to around the lower and mid 60s. And then finally by Easter Sunday, we pop back up to 70, 71 degrees. Most of the warmth stays off to the west. Friday in Dallas, Texas, 76 degrees, looking pretty good. Minneapolis improving. Philly, partly sunny, 58. New York, dry, 53 out west. Some thunder showers in the southwest. Yep, true.